Okay, welcome back. Welcome back to Boy Bukas Toy Box. This time, we're going to unbox one of the powerful character in the anime Yu Yu Hakusho in the Dark Tournament Banpresto figures. So as we continue the Dark Tournament edition, we're going to unbox this one. And let's see how cool is this. Let's go. Let's unbox. Okay, here you go, guys. We got another cool toys from the Yu Yu Hakusho anime series, and this one is from the Dark Tournament part of the anime. I think this is like I said, like the second season of those of the anime. So check it out, guys. So I think they released on the first wave. There's 5 characters, which is Urameshi, Hei, Kurama, Kwabara, and Toguro, the younger Toguro brothers. And I think that's it. The older Toguro and Koenma is not part of the release. And if I'm not mistaken, because this was released last year, just watch out to my channel. So why not subscribe to my channel so you can notify once I review all the latest releases from Yu Yu Hakusho. If you're a fan, right? So because I'm a big fan of this anime, which is in our this is also known to us as Ghost Fighter. Okay, so let's check out Kurama. Okay. Oops. Okay, I think I need to hold this one. There you go. Ooh-wee. If I'm not mistaken, before I know already, or maybe somewhere here. Oh yeah, here I believe they usually put all the, the people behind the creation of this figure, like the sculptor, the designer, whoever involved in this creation of this figure is somewhere here listed with the, with a big credit for them. So I'm not too sure if this what this so yeah, so I guess it's still not here anymore, so let's keep moving. Yeah, so as you know, there's no any manual here, no need, right? We don't need it. Okay, look at that. So Kurama is one of the most beautiful character here, with the special and unique power coming from any any plants. This very this I found really good good idea. Like, for sure they got a lot of study on what power they can use, or what plants they can use, right, to how do you call it, like to interpret the power of Kurama. So okay, let's take them out one by one. Okay, nice. And always the display stand, man. So we're all gonna start from there. So check it out. And okay, so you also don't get mistake, one small, one big. Perfect. I like that one when they do that, so you don't put it on the wrong way, and it's really hard to take it out again, right? So that's good. So check out Kurama figure on this really nice soft pose. I found all the eyes and like the face, even his face is not that really. They don't have like much anger or fighting spirit in their face. I don't know why, but I think it's better to have those because they're fighting, right? So there's angst and some kind of face supposed to have that's supposed to be there somewhere. But anyway, this cool and soft kind of figure. It's sculptured, so you'll find it really nice. So this one is made of rubber. Yeah, so you can do that. It's pretty cool. So and then we're gonna put it here. Okay, the hands is also nice the way it is. So it's really nice to do that. Yeah, as always, pretty simple sculpture here, but pretty perfect coloring and paint job here. So I really like this one. You can see the softness but powerful Kurama in this figure. Okay, so let's put it on. Okay, so that's how he need to stand. And then, but on the, I don't know why, but yeah. So there you go. Really nice. You can say this is really good. So okay, so this is like in facing the front, like hey and Urameshi. This is facing like sideways, like ready to attack. Unlike this one, is just waiting to defend, something like that, right? So nice. So yeah, so as always, this is for any Yu Yu Hakusho fans. As always, I think I can get this one instead of the first release. So, but yeah, because this is in action, so I like this one better than the previous one. So, as always, guys, if you like this video, why don't you give me a thumbs up and comments down below. So that's really help us content creator, because it give us interaction. Those are added to YouTube algorithm. I think that's the best way you can do. So you can just comment down below anything, or just let me know where you guys from, where you watching this, where are you from. That's good enough, guys, and I really appreciate that. So hopefully you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and all the way down to click the bell icon. That's really helpful. I really appreciate that. Thank you, guys. And once again, thanks for watching. See you in the next episode of Boy Bukas Toy Box. Peace out. Boom.